I have in my hand the 20-watt outdoor LED floodlight with IR sensor. Basically, there's a motion detection on this so that it picks up motion and turns on automatically. The actual light itself is incredibly energy efficient. It's rated at 20 watts, but that's the equivalent of a 188 watt halogen bulb. It's rated IP54, so it's suitable for outdoor use, and the life expectancy on the bulb is a minimum of 40,000 hours. So basically it's equivalent to running this continuously for 5 years. So basically the reality with these units is that you never change the bulb in it. It's the bulb that lasts the life of the unit itself. In relation to the angle that we can project this at, it's 140 degrees, and the range is up to about 12 meters away. When we're turning on when we're setting the adjustment on this, how long the light will come on for, it's possible to adjust it for between 5 seconds up to 5 minutes. So what I'll do here is I'm just going to go and overview quickly the presentation box. We'll go into a little bit more detail on the unit here itself. So here's the outer box. We have the user manual here, but just a specification of the range and a few do's and don'ts in relation to it. What we have here then is the main event, so our 20-watt LED bulb here, and we have our IR sensor below. If we look in the back of the unit here, we'll see that we have our IP54 rated cable housing running in here, and we have our sensor here, so we can adjust here. So there's a mounting bracket here for it, but we can see here we can adjust this right around, full 180 degrees there really. And what we can do then is we have 3 sensitivity changes here. So we can change here the range in terms of which it's going to pick up in terms of the sensor. We also have the timing setting on it, so you can set it off down here to 5 seconds or rotate it all the way around here, all the way back out to 5 minutes. Okay. And then what we have is we have a look setting here, and it's just saying, do we want it to come on in dusk type environment or do we want it to be darker, and we can adjust the sensitivity there as well. So that's basically it. Now this particular unit here, the cable that comes with it is basically 50 centimeters long, and you can see that we have just 3 cables here for the wiring of it. Now it's part of a wider range of LED floodlights we have with and without sensors, from 10 watts all the way up to 50 watts, which would be the almost equivalent of 500 watts indeed on the halogen scale. And we also have the LED bulbs, etc. Now what's really driving this is both the energy efficiency on it means that the payback period for these is quite quick. There's a lot less hassle with them in terms of maintenance. Basically, if you have a 40,000 watt or a 40,000 hour life usage on it, you're looking at 0 maintenance on them in terms of changing bulbs, things like that. And then the other thing is it's saving you money all the time. What's driving it, of course, as well as the regulatory changes that are forcing people to go for more energy efficient systems like this. So we decided to go with Ladino. It's a patented design from Germany. They really create absolutely excellent stuff. There's a lot of stuff to have that's patented themselves, and they have a lot of tie-in for a lot of other products we're stocking directly from Philips as well. So that's it anyway, an overview of the 20-watt outdoor LED floodlight with IR sensor.